R 1578 alleges that on the 4th of October 2023, that you did assault and beat the unborn child of Sebastiana Santana with the intent to murder such person, and by such assault and beating did kill and murder such person in violation of general laws, chapter 265, section 1.
All right, we will enter a not guilty. Attorney Sam, have you been privately retained?
No.
No, all right, so we will appoint you, no fee for that representation. And, all right, so we do have motions.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning.
For the record, ADA Matthew Green on behalf of the Commonwealth.
All right, thank you. The first I have is defendant's motion to preserve evidence. Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
So that would be allowed without objection. Understand your motion for funds is allowed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Are those the only two motions? Yes. Oh, all right. All right, Commonwealth's motion to impound. Attorney Sam, any objection?
Yes, Your Honor. I object to the extent that it prevents me from sharing information with my client and the members of the defense team and prospective witnesses.
All right. ADA Green, do you wish to be heard on your motion?
Just briefly, Your Honor, I would not have an objection to Attorney Stam sharing this information with her defense team. I would at this point object to her client having access to the information that is subject to the impound order. This investigation is less than 24 hours old at this point, very sensitive and ongoing, and at this point, not all suspects are yet in custody. So we would ask that the impound order be allowed with the caveat that Attorney Stam and her team can certainly review the probable cause statement.
All right. Attorney Stam, anything else you wish to add?
Yes, Your Honor. Such an order would infringe on my client's constitutional rights. He has the right to be informed of the allegations against him and the evidence against him, and I need him to know that information in order for him to be able to assist me to effectively investigate the defendant in this matter. The Commonwealth has brought no charges at this time, and I anticipate that we'll be asking that my client be held. And so I would object to any restrictions on me providing the information that I have to my client. He does not require witness addresses or phone numbers or that kind of information, but he does need to know about the allegations against him and the facts that were alleged.
All right. ADA Green, to the extent that it's your motion, I'll give you the last word.
I don't really have anything further to add past what I've already mentioned.
All right. Thank you. All right, so Commonwealth's motion is allowed, defense counsel and team is allowed access to that, and Attorney Stam, I'll note your objection. Do we have any other Commonwealth motions?
Not at this time, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. And ADA Green, what's your preference in terms of a new date?
Your Honor, a 30-day, well, depending on the court, we'd be asking for a 30-day date that's convenient with all parties. The Commonwealth is asking that the court hold this defendant without the right to bail at this time. He is charged with first-degree murder, light felony. I will not go into a lengthy recitation of that, but this was a gun battle that occurred in broad daylight at a busy intersection here in the city of Holyoke. This individual, as well as two others, were all involved in that altercation that took place at the intersection outside of the market. And tragically, one of those rounds victim, and her 8-month-old unborn baby died as a result of those injuries. So at this time, the Commonwealth is respectfully asking the court to hold the defendant without right.
Attorney Stan, do you wish to be heard on the Commonwealth's motion to hold your client without right to bail?
Only that it was done without prejudice at this time.
All right. All right, so Mr. Ramos would be held without right to bail. That would be done so without prejudice, and a new date.
Whatever's convenient with the court and defense counsel, Commonwealth will be available.
30-day date.
November 3rd?
That would be,
Thank you.
That would.
that would be fine.
All right, November 3rd. Very good. Thank you.